Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In this video, we would be running through the order details of two Falcon radar systems which are developed by Israel Aerospace Industries and Elta Electronics Industries of Israel. Yes, India is in final stage to finalize the order for two more Falcon airborne warning and control system aircraft from Israel, which has been pending for a long time now. If you see the Indian Air Force fleet, there are already two Bereave A50 aircrafts with these Falcon radar systems in service, and we already discussed the same in one of my previous videos. The Bereave A50 is a Soviet airborne early warning and control aircraft based on the Ilyushin IL-76 aircraft. Apart from having three of them in service, there are two more orders pending for the same ELW-2090 radar system, which would be mounted on the Bereave A50 or Ilyushin IL-76 platform. Just to see quickly what actually an airborne early warning and control system is all about. It is a radar system designed to detect enemy aircraft, ships, and vehicles at long ranges and perform the command and control of the battle space in an air engagement by directing fighter and attack aircraft strikes. Even though India has inducted the most powerful and combat-proven aircraft Rafale in its fleet, we need to see how far it can be used and engaged in any combat or emergency situation. And all these things are dependent on our way of detecting the incoming threats. One of the best proven methods and most used mode is to depend on the airborne early warning and control systems. These systems, as I mentioned, are useful for detecting and tracking of enemy and hostile aircrafts and unmanned aerial vehicles. Not just that, it also enables operators on board and on the ground to identify, assess the threat, and take actions to guide our interceptors to neutralize those threats. The ELW-2090 radar system's primary objective is to provide intelligence to maintain air superiority and conduct surveillance. These radar systems use active electronically scanned array, which is an active phased array radar. This radar consists of an array transmit and receive module that allows a beam to be electronically steered, making a physically rotating rotodome unnecessary. Active electronically scanned array radars operate on pseudo-random set of frequencies and also have a very short scanning rates, which makes them difficult to be detected and jammed. The two new Falcon radar system, which will be added to the three such aircraft already inducted in Indian Air Force, will be delivered within 3 to 4 years. And as per the sources, these radar system would be more advanced than the first three Falcon system with latest upgrades. So that was a quick update on the finalization of two more Falcon radar systems for India. And we also revisited the previous order and currently operated airborne early warning and control system with Indian Air Force. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.